What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you the COD Call of Duty Black Ops 6 PC error code for the Xbox, in which the game cannot be loaded or boot up. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that error. In order to fix that error, what you have to do is to, number one thing is verify your game files. So verify and repair Black Ops 6 files. What you have to do is to go to the file section and repair it. So once you will do it, right click on the COD app in the Xbox and select manage. Select the files tab. Under options, click verify and repair. After you have done that, what you have to do is to use the gaming services tool. So install and launch only the COD HQ application. So once you have done that, the first order of the business is to check if the error is occurring due to an issue on the drive you're using. So Activision and the Xbox app on the PC allow you to install the COD HQ app separately. From the main game, find the Call of Duty app on the Xbox store, then head to the add-ons tab during the installation and ensure only the base game is checked. After installing it, launch the app and see if the error still persists. If it doesn't, then you can go ahead and install the main game from the add-ons tab once again. Sometimes reinstalling a game on the same drive can fix the issue. The other step that you can do is to move the BO6 file to another drive. So first ensure the game is installed on the drive you aim to store it in. So once you know that drive that you want to store the game in, there is no COD game inside of it. Then move the installation files, navigate to the file tab after selecting the manage menu, and then click on the change drive. Right above that, verify and repair option. From there, select another drive on your PC to move the installation file. Uncheck this option which says compress this drive to save space. By following these steps, you will be able to fix the issue. I hope you find this video helpful.